Timothy Dalbot Shira MLA ke National People's Party na Resubel Para dak jing batha u Conrad ke sangma u Myntri rangba ka jalla bodo National President ke National People's Party NPP hakamit jong hanyau tare unai lur arhaja arpusan ula Iehnoh ya kam Symbud Lamphang haka step pratare unai lur arhaja arpusan Kani jing Iehnoh u Timothy ya kam Symbud Lamphang ka deiru shiteng kenta swaban sedang ke dorbar senrai jong ka yang dorbar thawan ke jalla Meghalaya Halor ke jingla jong u bandan ha ka kanhun Myntri ke Sorkar MDA2 pala Phah Iehnoh ya ka kam u Timothy ulaong bo subut ya ka jing batha u Myntri rangba ba uklam kali ya ka daw ulaong ru ba ka song ha Myntri rangba bo untap ni banweng Myntri Sorkar Henry kitalong kubor ki thu bo Timothy un bujli yaw rakam e sangma UMLA ka siju ranggara u babat menta kumu Myntri ka tanat puliputhi ha ka kanhun Myntri ke Sorkar MDA2
The High Command of my party that I should resign today. That's all. So as a loyal partyman, I have to obey whatever the direction given by the High Command.
Is it somewhere that you are going for, the government is going for cabinet reshuffle?
That I don't know yet.
And you are getting ministerial about?
Because they say nothing is told to me. Yeah. No information of that kind I have received till now. So today I will try to meet CM. I'll ask him the reason. Or he may not tell me also. I don't know the reason. I say because it is his prerogative. To ask me to resign or to go somewhere else as a loyal partyman, I have to obey his direction. I carry out his direction only. That I don't know. But there is a little demand from the people of North Kyrwoh that at least one should be inducted in the ministry. But it's up to the what is called Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So no information has received by me about this matter. So what I did is as a loyal, as I said, partyman, since the direction has come from him, I tendered my resignation without any difficulties, because I always look for him, and I always give the option for his choice. I don't have any choice, nor I make any demand that I should be inducted or I should be given this post, that post. It has never come from my.
So why the decision suddenly?
Suddenly decision is up to our party high command.
So is there a push for other MLAs to, take over?
That also I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, "Awang, you better resign tomorrow." So I resigned. As a loyal partyman, I cannot say no.
But you should have said why. You should have protested.
I did not ask why also, because I don't like to ask why. Because I know it is prerogative.
But you are the most senior person.
Even then, you say, as a senior most partyman, I should not ask him also. It depends on his wisdom.
Don't you think that you should know the reason? You are perfectly all right now. There is no sickness. Why somebody has to say that you have to resign immediately?
That is why I say I don't have any further comment on that. Because you see, I have tendered my resignation as per the direction from the party high command. And say what I am asked to do, I have done it.
Is it that
so it depends on the what is called the wisdom of the Shem, whether he asks me to sit somewhere or go somewhere, that also I don't know.
Maybe you will be accommodated in the cabinet, in the reshuffle.
That also I don't know. I say it is his prerogative, I tell you. Yeah. I don't know whether I'll be inducted or I'll be thrown away or I'll be sent somewhere else.
Lamphang ke yeng dorba thau an ke jela u Thomas A sang ma ula pentep pada ke jing Iehnoh u Timothy di Shiraya ka kam Symbud Lamphang ke election banjit thamai da weipat kan dei ha ka khat artar unai lur arja arpusan.
This morning, I have received the letter of resignation from the Deputy Speaker or Deputy Speaker, and accordingly, I have accepted it. And immediately, I have called for an emergent meeting of the BAC Business Advisory Committee to decide and review the calendar of this ongoing autumn session to when we can take the time to elect a new Deputy Speaker. So we had accordingly sat down, the BAC had said, and we have decided that we will go. The election of a new Deputy Speaker will take place on the last day of the autumn session. No, he just said, I'm resigning. Because I was told that he has received from the party high command that he should step down. That's all. That's what he told me.
Whom do we replace?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Whom do we replace?
That is for maybe the legislative party to decide on that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.